Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you step by step how to create a professional website with Webflow even if you are never built a site before. We are going from zero to a fully functional beautiful website in just 9 minutes. So without any further ado, just let's jump right into it. So let's create a Webflow account. First head over to webflow.com. Here actually you can see it. Then you just need to click over here to start billing or get started. It is free. You just need to click over here and sign up using your email or Google account. So here you just need to provide your Gmail address. Like I will copy my Gmail address from that place and then I will paste it in that place. Once I did, then I will get this button enable where I just need to click over here. Then I will shift to the new page. Webflow will ask you a few quick questions like your skill level and what type of website you want to create. And once you are in, click you just need to create new project. So it is an easy one. I hope you can create your account with that platform now easily. So here actually you can see we have that option to also sign up with Google. So I will go with that platform. So I'll click over here because this is the easiest way I ever see. So here I just need to click over here to the continue. Once I did, then I will land it onto the dashboard. So once you did this complete, then you will get the options to create a new project. What you name, I will click continue. Then here, or why do you want to build website myself? Then click continue. Are you Eastern? Yes. And what type of site are you looking to build today? I can say I will click portfolio, then click finish. So once I did, then it will be done. Then we will get that options with the new site. Like select a way to get started. I will go with the template one. From that one, you just need to choose a template for your user sites. We'll go with that. Let's click preview template and you can see the template in here. So you can choose a template. You can start from blank canvas or you can use the template I already mentioned. From beginners, I would recommend choosing a template so you can focus on editing instead of designing everything from scratch. You just need to browse the template, pick one you like, for example a business portfolio or e-commerce system, and use this template. You can view the template details also. So when you found that it is quite good, then you can go ahead with that. So I think this one will be good, but this is a premium one. I need to be purchase this. I think this one will be good. So I'll click over here, select, then create site, and it will be done. Now you just need to understand the Webflow interface. When your template opens, you will see something like that. So in the navigator on the left to view page element, here you can see that. Then the canvas in the middle, this is where your visual will be edited. In here you can saw it in that place. And then setting panel on the right for styling, layout and positioning. Think of it as a Photoshop meets a website builder. So I hope you understand it. Now let's talk about edit text and headings. You just need to click on the page, then type in your own content. Like here, let's say I will change the text. So you just need to double tap that, like change heading to match your brand. For example, change welcome to my site to helping you build your dream business. So here I will type that helping you build your your build your dream business. So here you can see I already changed the text. So you can also change the font. Like here to the right side, you will see that they are using archive font. You can use it like this font. You can change the boldness, you can change the size, you can change the color. Then if you want to change that element, you can easily change it as it you want. Then you can replace the image. Let's say I am going to replace that image. You just need to double tap that, and then here you will get that option to replace the image. So from that place you can easily replace that image. You can upload your own photo or logo also. Repeat this for all images so your site feels personal and unique. Then customize the layout. So if you want to move sections around, just like drag and drop in the navigator. So here you just need to be tap this one, and here you can easily drag and drop and the section will be changed as it you want. You can also add new elements by clicking plus add element icon. So here you just need to click over here, add element, and from that you can add heading, you can add flags, container sections, deep block, and many more things like media, video, YouTube, line, animation, many things. Like here I'm going to place this one, and you can see it already been added in that place. So you can add this way. You can use spacing controls in right panel to add just padding and margins, so everything looks clean. Now let's talk about how you can add new pages in here. You just need to go to the page panel. So here, this is the page panel, and from that you just need to click new page and name it, for example, about our service page, what you want. So from that you have that couple of pages in that place. So if you want to add a new page, you just need to be click any of page here, just click this one, and from that you can create a new folder or you can create a new page. You just need to click this one, and from that place you just need to be click this one, like you created all pages allowed by your free plan. To add more, you just need to upgrade your set. Actually I already make a couple of pages in here, so if you want to change the, like you, if you want to change the name, you are allowed to change it. Like you just need to click this gear icon, and from that you can easily change the page name. Now, if you want to make your website responsive, at the top, you just need to click the device icon. In the top here, you can see this is the icon. If you want to show it in the mobile, you are allowed to show it here. So in this way, you can check is it actually responsive or not. Then you just need to set up your website setting. You just need to go to the project setting from the dashboard. Here you can set your site name, upload your fav icon, the little icon in the browser tab, and connect your custom domain if you have one. You can also manage as your setting here. And once you feel that your website is ready, like when you're ready, you just need to click publish at the top right. Here you can see this is the publish. You just need to click this one, and you can publish to a free Webflow subdomain like your site.webflow.io, or connect to your own domain for a professional task. Visit your link to see your live website. Like this way, you just need to click this publish selecting domain, and it will take a couple of minutes, like optimize HTML, CSS, and JS file, backing everything up. And here you can see this is our link. If I go and visit that link, I will see that this is our website, and it's an amazing one. Like you can see the home, you can see all of this here. It is really amazing. I already created whole website which is actually responsive, which actually have some functionality, which actually dynamic website. So you understand how amazing that one. So if you love this process, you can now start with your own. Let me give a pro tips in here. That is of, like, you can keep your design clean and simple. You can use high quality images. You can make sure your call to action buttons are clear and easy to spot. And that's how to build a professional website Webflow in under 9 minutes. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more website tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.